Good day everyone. Today let's talk about the online privacy. Now, what is online privacy? Online privacy is an important issue, but there are some ways to protect our personal information. First is limit personal information. It means protect our personal information. Avoid sharing sensitivity details such as your full name, complete address, phone number, and financial information on public platforms like social media or online forums. Similarly, be cautious about sharing such information with individuals you don't know and trust. This helps prevent identity theft, scam, and other potential harms. Instead of sharing directly, consider using alternative methods if you need to share information such as a partial address or a secure messaging system. Being mindful of what you share online significantly reduces your risk of becoming a victim of online fraud and privacy violation. Second is read privacy policies. It means before you click an account with any website or apps, it's very important to read their privacy policy. This document explains how the company collects, uses, and shares your personal information. Understanding this policy allows you to make informed decisions about whether or not to use their service and how much personal information you're comfortable sharing. Privacy policies often describe what data is collected, like your name, emails, location, etc. Why it's collected for personalization, advertising, etc. and who it might be shared with other companies. Law enforcement taking the time to read this policy is a proactive step in protecting your online privacy.
Enable two-factor authentication. These extra layers of security adds an additional step like code sent to your phone when you log in, making it much harder for hackers to access your account. Use strong password. Create unique and complex password for each account. Consider using Password Manager to help you keep track.
Clear cookies regularly. Cookies are small files websites store on your computer to track your browsing activity. Clear your cookies regularly to prevent websites from building a detailed profile of your online behavior. Adjust browser privacy settings. Most browsers allow you to customize privacy settings. Consider blocking third-party cookies, enabling do not track and limited access to your location data.
A VPN, Virtual Private Network, encrypts your internet connection, making your online activity private and secure. This prevents hackers, websites, or even your internet provider from seeing what you're doing online.
Ad blockers offer several benefits, including a cleaner browsing experience, faster loading times, and reduced usage. Then improve privacy. Importantly, they limit the amount of users. Data collected by advertisers for tracking purposes.
Using antivirus and anti-malware software helps safeguard your device by detecting, blocking, and removing malicious threats, ensuring your data and system remain secure from cyber attacks.
Keep software updated. Basically, keep your operating system, browser, and apps updated to patch security vulnerabilities and ensure optimal performance.
Be wary of phishing scams. Don't trust random messages with no links or files. They might be trying to trick you into giving up important info. Watch out for phishing scams. Don't click links or open files from people you don't know. They might be trying to steal your info.